This is the lift to the self-service hall, level 3, at the IKEA in Coventry. Here it is. This is another Schindler MRL. All lifts here are Schindler MRLs, and we're just by the travelators, which we're going to film in a minute. Here it is. Oh, it's got the Piccadilly line, boys. Go down to the self-service furniture area. Capacity 5,000 kilograms. 66 persons, year built 2007. I think all the others were built that time. Yeah, here we go, going down through the badge. This had the same one as the municipal badge. You're up third floor, self-service furniture area. Go back up to 5. Go back to 5. Go back up. Just going back up here at IKEA in Coventry. The lifts on the exit are the same as the other lifts. You're at 5, back at 5. 5th floor. You're at 5th floor. And that's it.